In November 2022, the whole world changed forever when OpenAI introduced ChatGPT to general public. It took Facebook 10 months, Netflix 2 months, and Fortnite 24 days to reach 1 million user mark.
How many of you clap? How many of you know what ChatGPT is?
AI become accessible to the public for free, taking only 5 days to reach 1 million user mark, and has the potential to disrupt work, businesses, and the economy. But rather than being afraid of this new technology, try and discover what possibilities it gives to the humanity and to you personally. Think about it the other way. It is here to stay. It won't go anywhere. It will get more powerful and more dangerous, that's for sure. But you can use it to your own advantages by creating an extra line of income or becoming a mega mind in any specialty you can imagine, even if that means creating your own. In order for us to have a productive conversation about AI, we need to define what it stands for. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the ability of machines or computer systems to mimic human-like intelligence and cognitive functions. This can include things like natural language processing, pattern recognition, decision-making, or even creativity. AI technologies can be used in a wide range of applications, from virtual assistant and chatbots to self-driving cars and personalized medicine. There are several types of AI, including rule-based systems, machine learning algorithms, and deep learning.
Convince people to slow down AI, to regulate AI. I tried for years.
Hi, I'm Patrick from Fresh Insider, and in this episode, I want to share with you how I think AI will influence and enhance our world. This is my predictions for AI implementation and 5 major fields it will take over. AI advancement. Artificial intelligence is rapidly advancing and will soon reach the level of superintelligence, surpassing humans. This level of intelligence will allow AI to perform tasks that are currently impossible for humans. It has the potential to solve many of the world's most pressing problems, such as climate change, hunger, and disease. However, with this level of intelligence comes need for regulation. We must govern the use of digital superintelligence to ensure it is used for the betterment of humanity. This could be the most important thing that civilization does this century and will definitely have an impact on the generations to come. This is why big thinkers of this world trying to align AI goals with the goals of humanity. It is the only productive thought process we can have. We can sit here and be afraid of it, but I don't think we're going to stop this technological progress. Even banning the AI, there will be someone who's going to crack the system, who's going to crack the code, and will use it for his own advantages. So we need regulation sooner or later. AI and jobs. AI is replacing jobs across industries, providing accurate feedback and raising ethical questions. It's important that we recognize the impact that AI is having on the job market and take steps to address it. While AI can perform tasks with greater accuracy and efficiency than humans, it's important to recognize that it is not a substitute for human creativity and innovation. We need to find ways to collaborate with AI and use it to enhance human skills and abilities, rather than replacing them. Totally relying on AI will have tremendous impact on humanity intelligence and might lead to creating a dystopian society that is trapped in an enslaved paradigm. However, I believe we as a species adapt and ultimately will find a way of making ourselves special, separate to what AI is producing and what makes us creative as individuals. That might push us to be more respectful and innovative, producing things that are irreplaceable by technology. Automation and fusion. Automation and fusion will revolutionize the economy and provide clean energy for all. Automation allows us to perform tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or impossible for humans to do. By combining automation with renewable energy sources, we can create a cleaner and more sustainable future. Automation can also reduce cost, increase productivity, and create new opportunities for growth and innovation. Robots in space. Robots are better suited for space exploration than humans due to their adaptability and ability to survive in harsh climates. With AI, robots can be programmed to perform tasks that are currently impossible for humans. They can travel further, work for longer, and gather more data than a human astronaut could without any need for food nor toilet breaks. They do not take sick leave or get distracted by new law, do not require holidays or extra time off. By using robots for space exploration, we can reduce the risk to human life and make discoveries that were impossible previously. Increasing value with AI. Experts can now use AI tools to increase their value to employers or clients. By using AI to analyze data and provide insights, experts can make better decisions and provide more value to their clients. AI can also help experts to identify patterns and trends that they might not have otherwise noticed, leading to new discoveries and insights, eventually improving the overall experience. There is hundreds of AI tools already existing that can significantly improve your workload, whether you require a sales assistant, bot, sales advisor, self-driving car, a robot waiter, doctor, or someone to keep your company. It's already here. However, I think we are far away from achieving AI's full potential yet, and there is more to come. In conclusion, artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize the way we work and live. It is important to recognize the impact that AI is having on our world and address it. Whether it's through regulation, collaboration, or innovation, we must find ways to use AI to enhance human abilities and create a better future for all. And as always, please remember that while AI is an incredible tool, it must be used responsibly and ethically. Thanks for joining me today, guys. If you like what you saw, don't be afraid to hit that like button and subscribe. Peace out.